Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews, checking out the Openuye full face snorkel mask, and we've been using it in a pool. Really cool, and you may have seen some of our other videos using the snorkel mask. I love these things, and actually my last trip with my wife, we went to the Bahamas and I forgot it. Because we jumped off the boat, we had to use one of the normal, the face mask, and it just goes there. It was horrible, and couldn't really dive down because you have the normal snorkel you get the seawater in. It's horrible. So this works really great. You can use it in lakes. Might be a little bit too murky for that, but you can definitely use it in the ocean and in the pool. Really cool. And it has this little ball inside that goes up with the water, so it blocks it so no water will come back in, and you don't have to worry about that, which is really cool. There's also this other little piece which you can kind of see attaches right on here, and then you can hook up a action camera, GoPro, whatever one. This is the AKASO action camera, works great. It comes with all the little clips that you need. And this size here is for an adult, and it has this stretchy band here. You just want to make sure you have a good seal. But my son also tried it out, and teenager, and not a problem as long as you make it nice and tight. But overall, really cool, and it actually does pull it up just like that, and you can fold it down and easy take it with you. It does come with a little mesh bag carrying case, which is really great too. If you pack in your luggage, just protect the mask, but otherwise it is really cool. I'm going to show you some footage. A quick shot underwater, and also some footage of me swimming with it on, just to see what it looks like in the pool. But if you're looking, to get something, you're not going to be on a dive team or anything, this is something really cool to check out. Now, a lot of these, I found that they are relatively similar in design. The other one I did see, it had like a little clip that kept it in place when you put it all together. This one just seems like almost like a rubber gasket. Either way, both have great designs, fit really well. Initially, as long as you make it tight, no leaks. Just want to make sure you keep your hair out of the way. And also, probably this would work really good for Halloween as a kind of a scary, crazy mask. Otherwise, I'm gonna go check it out real quick. So take it. So you saw by the footage of kind of what it looks like underwater. Again, this is in a pool, but works really great. This is the Openuye full face snorkel mask, and price ranges between $30 and $40 or so, depending if you find it on sale. You can check out the link below, and there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click the little bell icon to stay up to date with everything we do, and we'll see you soon.
Was that quiet, Daddy?